Okay, you guys know I'm a Carl Richards fan, alright? If you don't, hi, I'm Asha and I'm a Carl Richards fan. Tell me you watch Sophia's TikToks of her and Kyle going to like Five and Below and being absolute menaces. And I think one of the best parts about it is that we all know they're so well off at this point, but they go like every Tuesday and just, it looks like so much fun. I have a reject store near me, so that would be Australia's version of Five and Below or Dollar Tree and all that jazz. I feel like drugstore makeup's having a real moment at the moment, and I'm not about to like jump on that train for the sake of jumping on the train, but I got fed this girl's TikTok yesterday and her routine was sick. I thought I saved. I've gone through my comment history, my like history, and my saves, and it's not there. And I'm like, she must have deleted it. But in any case, she used a lipstick and it looked a lot like KKW, and it was $2.95 from the reject store. And I thought, wow, I've been wanting to film a video at the reject store anyway so that I can show all the Americans our version of Five and Below and Dollar Tree, which is what we call the reject store. And then I can swipe this lipstick at the same time. And the best part is there is one literally a block away from my house. So we are here now. Let's go.
So this is what the reject shop looks like. Discounted lollies, discounted like furnishings, decorations if you will, which we are definitely going to have a look at. How we all know this section can speak my language, the cosmetic storage. Oh my god, look at this little strawberry hand soap dispenser. Guys, is this cute? I feel like I need this for my new house. I feel like this one is less corny with just the flower detail. What else we got? Does it go? Oh, the little bow. I'm not gonna lie to you, having a hard time finding the makeup. Like, what is this? That is so cute. It's a little box. Oh my god, I really feel like I need that. Just confirming I have no idea what this is meant to be. Oh, I think the bottom one's a mug and then the other ones are just like little bowls. We're actually in desperate need of a butter tray, so I think this might need to happen. Shops actually have the best stuff. Look at these flamingos. I just think this is so cute. My daughter loves flamingos. This strawberry jug, like that's happening. That is happening. I just love little bowls and I feel like you can never have enough little bowls. These little spoons, they're like china spoons. Stop. Oh my god, it's a goose, but it's a cookie jar. I think I have to have this. I also love this little goose egg cup holder. Okay, I found the lipsticks. And the worst thing has happened. As suspected, I'm obviously not the only person that saw that TikTok because it's sold out of the shade I want.
Do you guys want to see what I got? I did end up getting these because what I realized is, look, it's actually two people smooching. Like, that is so cute, and there's never enough little like dip bowls in my humble opinion. I withheld from getting any of the goose stuff because whilst I think it's really cute, I think I'm going to wait until I'm actually in the house because that could really like not be cute. You know, it could go one of two ways. I did get the little bow trinket box because isn't that perfect for lashes? Choo-choo, bing. Yes, perfect for used lashes. But I did get one of the lipsticks because it was like a pink shade. So I was like, why the hell not? We all know I love pink makeup. I love how it looks exactly like a MAC lipstick. It's actually a really cute shade.
So this is Priceline. This is what she'd be looking like. Perfume there, makeup all around the perimeter. Okay, we're at Revolution and I have been dying to try the Patrick Tar dupe, which I'm pretty sure I'm in luck and they have in stock. At Barry M, I've just found this liquid highlighter, which I'm cooking up a really cool idea with, so I think we'll grab this. CoverGirl bronzer, I think I'm gonna have to order online, but alas. Ooh, should I try the grippy primer actually? I've heard nothing but good things about this. As suspected, no stock. I didn't actually think I was gonna be in luck, but all the CoverGirl like Hourglass dupes are sold out. I'm also gonna stock up on my favorite cleanser, which is the Clear Skincare Cleanser. Okay, I hear nothing but good things about this primer, so I want to get this, but then I saw this one, which is claiming blurring. Okay, this caught my eye the other day, and then my guy Corey told me it's one of his faves, so I'm gonna grab this. I hear nothing but good things about this L'Oreal Lumic lotion, but it's $40. I could get MAC Stroke Cream for that. They have Made by Mitchell at this price line, and I wanted to grab strawberry cream, but they have none in stock. However, they do have the palette that has strawberry cream in it, but $63. I want some Morphe stuff. Morphe is not in the drugstore for us here in Australia, so I'm heading into Mecca. Okay, here is Morphe. Here is what I think I want, which is the corrector in Blossom. I just swatched that, looks stunning, so I am going to grab one of those. Okay, let's head into another price line and see if we're in luck here. Shame, no luck. Ask and you shall receive. I've done a drugstore makeup haul. What shape did you make?
I did this. I did another heart.
Oh, good job. Is
I have a good time. And this thing.
when you get way too into the Play-Doh creation. Yes, I'm making toppings for her pizza. Yeah, good job. What do you got? Fruit toast and orange juice. Moment for the tile selection. Moment for the avocado from Nourish and Feed.
Taking your picture.
Video. You guys having a snuggle on the balcony.
Yeah, on the balcony.
Aww.
Working hard, baby.